Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to see how the fixed installment can be created. Now, fixed installments, nothing but there are many scenarios for that. So one of the scenarios is, let's say you have given 1 lakh for 6 months at the rate of 2% monthly, then you want to receive 2000 as an interest for every month for next 6 months. Now this is very straightforward calculation, but the challenge is that one thing is the configuration, that whether to receive the first installment in advance or first installment after one month. The second point is that what if the borrowers can give a partial payment or partial principal, and then the interest calculation should get adjusted accordingly. Now, very important thing is, not all businesses would like to work in this way. So every business will have their own way of working and customization. Now that's the beauty of Jainam software, where you can customize a lot of things your own. Okay, and you can play with a lot of different calculations in Jainam software. So that flexibility is given to the financiers so that they customize their loan product and deal with that. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, I have logged into Jainam software. Next, I want to search the customer. So I have entered customer name in search here and click search. I have clicked loan here, so that I want to provide the loan to customer. Now I can select personal, I can select gold, vehicle, product, and there are many other options. You can also customize those options. So I have selected personal and amount is, let's say, 1 lakh. Rate of interest 2% monthly. Then the calculation type, there are multiple ways of doing calculation. So here I want to select first interest then principal, and total number of days, months, weeks. So I'll select 6, and then if I select day, then it will be for 6 days. I want to select month, it will be for 6 months. So what will happen in this case, the installments will get created. So I just click calculate. Now it will say installment 2000 for 6 months. That is fine. So I'll click save. Loan number 82 is saved. Now I will enter loan number 82 here and click search. I will get the loan summary, and you can see by default 2000 is showing there as a first installment, and it is also showing here that next due is 2000 for today. Okay, now you can also click installment tracker, and you can see that the installments, how they are created. Okay, now what I'll do, I will select today's date and click receive. Okay, now here I received 2000. Now you can see immediately after receiving 2000, the next due, it is showing as 30th August. Okay, and if I click here and I can click I will see that 2000 is showing green. It means it is received. And one important thing, that adjust principal option is enabled now, so that customer can give me the principal. Let's say customer has given me 40,000. Okay, date 31st. Okay, 40,000, and then I click adjust principal. Okay, so next, what will happen in this case? Let me just select 82 here and click search. Okay, an installment tracker. Okay, so that 40,000 entry is not done. Let me select here 40,000, then let me select the date and click adjust principal. Are you sure you want to receive amount? Yes, I click yes. Okay, now let me take a look of the installment tracker here. Sorry. Now what will happen? You can see 40,000 is received, and next installment is the interest of 1,200 instead of 2,000. You can also see that principal due here, it is showing 60,000. Okay, now what you can do, customer can come again and let's say gives 10,000, and then date, if I select let's say August 7th. Okay, adjust principal and yes. Now here installment tracker 10,000 received, and then due is 1,000. Now next I can take here 1,000 and I can on 10th August I can say any date. It doesn't matter like it has to be 30th August. You can enter any date there. You can even disable the date for your staff actually, so that through setting, master setup setting, you can do that. So I click receive. Now when I clicked received, then let's take a look installment tracker, and then 1,000 received here. Okay, and 50,000 principal is still due. Okay, now transaction is the transaction which will show you how it is done, right? You can click on specific transaction here and you can give the receipt. This way you can give print transaction receipt. You can give that receipt to your customer. All right, so this way you can manage a fixed installment on and also accept the partial payment from customer, so that your installments and interest will get recalculated automatically. All right, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Please subscribe Jainam Software YouTube channel, so that whenever we create any new video, you will be notified for that. Thank you so much.